The Goldfinch Inventory app can be used to manage all of your inbound and outbound inventory transactions and internal inventory movements between warehouse bins. You can manage your inventory by item, units of measure, warehouse bin, lot number, and serial number. Click on the Goldfinch items. Then click on Views. You can set up and manage inventoriable items and non-inventoriable service items, lot track items, and serial track items. Click on 7000. Click on the Details section. Scroll down to see the item general setups, costing, manufacturing, catch weight, BOL, and planning parameters. Click on the related lists. In the items unit of measure, you can manage inventory by multiple units of measure with different conversions. You can set up sales prices, sales discounts, purchase prices, and also setups for manufacturing such as item formulas and item routing. Click Bin Content. The Bin Content table offers a quick overview of the inventory quantities by item, unit of measure, warehouse, bin, item lot, and serial number. Click on Item Journals. Normally, you use sales orders, purchase orders, transfer orders, and work orders to manage inbound and outbound inventory transactions. You can also use item journals to manage additional transactions. Click on New. You can use the inventory adjustment to make miscellaneous inventory adjustments. Inventory cycle count is used to perform physical inventory by warehouse and by bin. Inventory transfer is a quick way to transfer inventory between two different warehouses without using a transfer order. Production journal is used to report consumption and output of a work order. Finally, revaluation journal is used to correct inventory costs or to write off costs for obsolete or slow-moving inventory. Choose Inventory Adjustment. Then click Next. Confirm the warehouse, bin, and posting date on the header. Click Add Adjustment Lines. Enter 7000. You can change the unit of measure if needed. Enter quantity 10. Confirm the unit costs. Enter reason if needed. Then click Save. To enter lots for lot track items, click on the Enter Lots button. Then click on Post. Review item ledger entry and warehouse entry created. Go to Warehouse Activities. You can use the warehouse activity to create inventory movements within a warehouse. Click New. Pick is created from warehouse shipment to move inventory from picking bins to ship bin. You can use Breakbulk activity to convert units of measure for an item and move inventory to a different bin. Movement is used to move multiple items from one bin to another bin within the same warehouse. Put away is created from warehouse receipt to move inventory from receipt bin to either storage or picking bin. Choose Movement Activity. Confirm the warehouse and posting date on the header. Click Add Lines. Enter 7000. Click on Lookup to select from bin. You will see a list of bin contents with available inventory. Filter any column, then choose a bin content record. The system automatically populates item lot if the item is lot tracked. Enter to bin, enter quantity. Go to the next line, enter 7001, click on the lookup button to select from bin, choose a bin content record, enter to bin, enter quantity, then click Save. Click on Post. Review the warehouse entry created. Click on Transfer Order. You can use transfer orders to transfer inventory between warehouses if you prefer to follow all outbound and inbound inventory steps, such as creating a warehouse shipment and pick, receive and put away. By using transfer orders, you can also manage in-transit inventory. In Goldfinch, 3 transaction tables are used to manage inventory quantity and costing. Item ledger entries track all inbound and outbound perpetual inventory transactions. Warehouse entry tracks all internal warehouse movement activity. Finally, cost entry is used to track original inventory costs and subsequent adjustments due to timing, landed costs, and write-offs.